How to turn your app idea into a profitable business. How to turn your app idea into a profitable business. Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to take an app idea, build it, market it, and actually make money from it. I'm not some tech guru, but I've built multiple apps and turned them into a solid income stream. So let's get straight into it. How to turn your app idea into a profitable business. The biggest mistake people make is thinking they need 100% original idea. That's not true. The best way to find an idea is to look at what's already working. If an app is making money, the market is validated. Here's what I did. I noticed that productivity and AI-based apps were blowing up, so I created my own version with a small twist. My app, Monty, started as a simple project, and over time I improved it based on user feedback. So don't overthink it. Pick an idea, launch fast, and refine it later. How to turn your app idea into a profitable business. You don't need a huge team or a crazy budget. Here's a simple stack to get started. Next.js Vercel for web apps, easy to deploy and scale. Expo for mobile apps, so you can launch on iOS and Android. Supabase for authentication and databases, super easy to set up. Stripe for handling payments, so you can start making money ASAP. Posthog for analytics, so you know what users actually do in your app. You can build an MVP, minimum viable product, in a few weeks if you stay focused. Marketing and money. You can have the best app in the world. Be